So hello friends, today we are going to solve the problem based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, the concept of these trigonometric ratios of complementary angles we have already discussed in previous classes. Okay, I have given the link of the detailed discussion of this concept. Okay, in description you can go and check this. Okay, so here I want to make it very short idea about this. Okay, again I want to recap this in short. Okay, so here we are getting the relations, the total 6 relation. Okay, they are known as complementary relation. That means trigonometric ratios of complementary angles in short complementary relations. Okay, the first one is sine and cos. Okay, sine 90 degree minus theta, sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, that means you can write another one, cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, that is 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. So here what we have understood, that sine and cos in complementary relations, sine and cos are in complementary relation. Okay, and one more relation we have got between sine and cos, direct relation, that is quadratic relation you can say, or the identity, or the three of the identities. One, that is cos square theta or sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. There we have the direct relation between sine and cos, and here we have the direct relation between sine and cos, that is complementary relation. So sine and cos will have two relations direct, that is one is in complementary relation and another one is in identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The next one is, tan, okay, 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay, then you can write cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Here you check. Now tan and cot are also in complementary relation. Tan and cot are also in complementary relation. Now what is the relation? One more relation we have between tan and cot. What was there? There was tan and cot are reciprocals to each other. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So cot and tan have direct two relations. Now we are getting here the first one, we have got reciprocal relation between tan and cot, that is cot and tan reciprocals to each other. And the second one just we are getting here is they are in complementary relation, that is tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta and cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. So we are getting two direct relations between tan and cot. Okay, one is reciprocal, another one is complementary relation. Finish. We have to understand that way. Okay, next one is cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, that is sec of theta. Okay, and then similarly you can write here sec of 90 minus theta, okay, that is equal to cosec theta, that is cosec of theta. Okay, now here cosec and sec are in complementary relation. We didn't get any relation between cosec and sec before this. Okay, they are not in reciprocal, neither they are in quadratic relations. They have only the relation, the complementary relation. They have only complementary relation. So direct relation between cosec and sec we have only one, that is cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. You check, we will be confused if you will not understand the relation perfectly. Okay, so the first point is, check here, sine and cosec are reciprocals. Sine and cos are not reciprocal. Sine and cos, what relation they have? They have a quadratic relation. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And one more relation is this. Okay, now tan and cot, they have both reciprocal and as well as this complementary relation. Okay, yes. Now, but cosec and sec, they don't have any other relation except these. Okay, they have this relation, direct relation. They don't have that quadratic form, that means square where we get the terms n square. Okay, that relation we don't have, they are not a reciprocal. Okay, so we should understand these 6 relations, okay, properly. Then we can solve the relations, we can solve the problems from the exercise. Okay, we can understand these are not very difficult, but only we have to understand, we need not to be confused. Okay, first we clear the relations. Okay, now the first question is that sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree, we have to find evaluate, we have to find the value. Okay, here we are not going to find out the value of 18. You check here 18 and 72, they are not our special angles. So here need not to, here it's not the matter of thinking of finding 18 degree and 72 degree. We need not to think of finding 18 degree and 72 degree. They are not our special angles. We don't have their values. So we are not going that way. So we will have to check differently. So in such a type of angles, when you will get which are not our special angles, special angle means 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 there. Okay, okay. Instead of these angles, here we have 18 and 72. Okay, so these angles value we cannot find out here. Okay, so what we'll have to do, we'll have to think differently. So how can you think? Now add these two, 18 and 72, how much? 90. 90 means the sum becomes 90, means they are in the relation complementary. They are in the which relation? In complementary. They are in complementary form. Because their sum is what? 90 degree. That means they are complementary angles. Is it? So now either of these two, this 18 or 72, either of these two, either 18 or 72, you will have to convert in the form of 90 minus theta. Okay, I am trying for this 18 degree. Okay, now 90 minus theta, if I write this 18 in form of 90 minus theta, then how can I write 90 minus how much is 18? 90 minus 72 is 18. 90 minus 72 is 18. Is it? So this 18 I have written as sine 90 minus 72. This is nothing, it is 18 only. But just this is in the form 90 minus theta. 18 is 90 minus theta. Okay, instead of doing 18 degree, you can do for 72 degree only, but both you cannot do. Okay, either of these two, any one you will have to change. Okay, if you would have done for 72 degree, suppose for the denominator, then how can you write 72 in terms of 90 minus theta? That is 90 degree minus 18 degree. 90 minus 18 is 72. So if you want to change this 72, then you will write this, or I want to change this 18, so I have written this. Okay, either of these two, one only you will have to change. Okay, so sine 90 minus theta is cos 90. Sine 90 minus theta is 1. Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. This is theta. Sine 90 minus theta is 1 equal to cos theta. The cos theta is cos what? 72. Okay, so sine 90 minus 72 is cos 72 degree. Okay, now cos 72 by cos 72 equal to 1. So really it is very simple. Here question number 1-4, which cosec and sec we have. Cosec and sec are in complementary relation, we know that. Okay, now 31 and 59, if you add it is 90. That means they are totally in the format of complementary relations. Okay, so cosec 31. Now like previous question here also, either of these two, either you write this 31 in terms of 90 minus theta, or this 51 in terms of 90 minus theta. Any one of these two you have to write, any one, not both, any one. We are converting cosec to sec, or we are converting sec to cosec. So that one we can do by changing the value, this one in terms of 90 minus theta, or this one in terms of 90 minus theta. Any one, not both. Okay, so let us start with the first only, because here it is minus. So second one, if you change, then there will be a minus problem you may face. No problem for me here. Now you check cosec theta. So cosec 31 you write is 90 degree. How minus how much will be 31? Suppose 90 degree minus how much is 31? Very clear here. Here it is 59 we have. So 90 check, 90 minus 31 is equal to 59. Okay, so this 59, if you subtract from 90, this one like this, sorry. Okay, so 90 minus 59 is equal to 31. So this 31 you write like this, is it? This 31 you write in this format. Okay, so here cosec 90 minus, what to write now? Cosec 90 minus 59, exactly. Cosec 90 minus 59 degree minus this one is sec of 59 degree. Now you check here. We have not changed here anything. Here we change this 31. Instead of doing this, you can do by changing this one also. At that time, but you cannot change that this one. You cannot touch here. Okay, now check here now. Cosec, okay, 90 minus theta. Sorry, cosec 90 minus theta. Now go to the relation. Cosec 90 minus theta means what? It is sec of theta. That is sec theta is what? 59. So 59 degree. Sec 59 degree minus sec of 59 degree. Okay, this is sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree. A minus a equal to 0. That is equal to what? It is 0. So it is your answer. Okay, here question number 6 is in product form. Okay, the first question which we have learned is in fraction. Okay, in division form. Now the second one, that is plus minus, and this one in product form. Okay, so this one 1035 into, it is there in product form. So into 1060 into 1055 into 1030. Now we will have to check these angles. Okay, 35 and which angle makes 90 degree? I think 35 and 55 is 90. Similarly, 60 and 30 90. Since we are working for complementary angles, we will have to arrange the angles such a way that they form complementary angles. Okay, then which two will have to arrange? You check 1035 and then 1055 because they makes 90 degree. That's why these are in one set. That will be 10. First 10 35. Then next one 10 55. Without arranging also you can do, but it is better to arrange them. Okay. Now next is 10 60 and this is 10 30 degree. Okay. Now any one of these two you change. Any one. Either this 35 here they are in the set. Again these two are in the set. Okay. So any one you change. These two makes 90. These two makes 90. That's why any one you change. This one or this one. Which one you write? Suppose 10. Let me write this one. 90 minus how much will be 35? 90 minus 55 will be 35. So this one, this 35 is written as 90 minus 55. This one, no need to change. 10, 55 degree. Now again, suppose this one if I change, then 10, what to write? 10, 60, how can I write? 90 degree minus how much is 60? 90 minus 30 is 60. So this 60 is written as 90 minus 30. Okay, then this is 1030. Here need not to change. Okay, from each of the sets, here two sets, this one set, this another set. From each of the set, one only you will have to change. Okay. So this is 10, 90 minus 55 is cot 55 degree. This is 10, 55 degree. Okay. Next, suppose if I write into, no problem, you can understand more. These two set, okay, and this one set, this is another set. Now this one is cot 30 degree, then this is 10 30 degree. If you not write into, no problem, I just written here to make you understand properly. So this cos theta into tan theta, now same theta value is same. Here also cos theta into tan theta, theta value is same. So this one we can take as tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. They are reciprocals to each other. That's the product is 1. Okay. Now into tan cot theta into tan theta, they are reciprocals to each other. So product is 1. So it is 1. Okay. In the relation we have. So this 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is your solution. So here we have one more similar question. Okay. This is different, is only here we have 3 and 4. Others pattern same, no change. Okay, just I want to solve this one. You check here 3, okay, 23, 67, 90 and sine and cos in complementary form. Okay, 47 and 43, 90 and sec and cosec are in complementary relation. So very clear question is. So here sine 23 will write is 90 minus how much is 23? 90 minus 67 is 23. Is it? Okay. So this one is cos. We have not changed here. In the denominator as it is, no change. Okay, plus 4. Now sec. Okay, you can change this one. Sec 47 is 90 minus 43. Okay, let me change the denominator one. Why not? Is it? Let me change the denominator one. Then what will happen? Okay, suppose this is 47. I kept the same, but I will show you by changing the denominator. That is cosec. 43 means 90 minus how much is 43? 90 minus 47 is 43. So 90 minus 47 degree of written. Okay. Instead of changing the denominator, you can do for numerator also, no problem. That is not the issue. Okay. You check here. Sin 90 minus 67 is cos theta. That is cos 67. Is it? By cos 67 degrees. We should put here. The plus this one is 4, and then here it is sec 47. We have not changed this. Okay, 47 degree. By cosec 90 minus 47 is again it is sec 47. Am I right? Yes. Now what happens here? It is 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. That is 3 plus 4. This is equal to 7. So your answer is. So similar question, no change. So here we have question number 2. We have to prove it. Similar question, not a big difference here. We will have to prove it is equal to 0. Okay, the question cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 equal to 0. Okay, so let us solve this solution. Left hand side, it is given. We will have to find our and result is 0. Okay, that is cos 38 degree and into cos 52 degree minus this is sin 38 degree, okay, and sin 52 degree, okay, left hand side. Now cos 38 degree or cos 52, either of these two will change. So here cos 90 minus how much is 38? 90 minus 52 is 38. Okay, so 90 minus 52. I will not change this. This is cos 52 degree. Now minus. Now either of these two you change one. That is 38. We have changed here 38. So here also 38. We should get the same values. That's why here sin this 38. How can I write? 90 degree minus 52 degree. This is sin 52 degree. Okay. This is equal to cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Okay, that sin theta is 52. So 52 degree. And it is cos 52 degree minus this is cos 52 degree. Okay. And into it is sin 52 degree. So you check here AB minus BA, that is xy minus yx is same. So xy and yx same minus, then it is 0. Same term only, this term and this product same. It is equal to 0 right hand side. Okay. Yes. Very simple. Now I am going to give you a question. Now so that similar question. Okay. So that cos 38 degree and then sin 52 degree, okay, plus sin 38 degree, cos 52 degree is equal to 1. Please pause the video and WhatsApp me the answer. question is question number 3. Here the question is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. We need to find out the value of a. Or to find out the value of a in this from this expression. Okay. And information is given that this 2a is acute, means that 2a, this value cannot be more than 90 degree. That is our restriction in class 10 maths. Okay, so it is acute angle, it is given here. Now we have to find out the value of a. How can you find, you check? It is an equation of where in left hand side we have tan and right hand side we have cot. Now what can we do is we make both left hand side the same ratio, that is either 10-10 or cot you can make. Okay, then we can remove from both the sides. Suppose this is 10, this will be also converted to 10, then both the 10 will be removed, then an equation of a will be formed. From there we can find out a. For cot also you can make this one cot, this one also you can make cot, this one cot you make, this is already in cot. Cot you remove, then 2a equal to something, a relation will get. Okay, now to do this one, suppose 10 to a, how can I write 10 to a? You check here, cot 90 degree minus 2a. This is equal to what? This is equal to what? Cot 90 minus 2a equal to what? Cot 90 minus 2a according to complementary relation. Cot 90 minus theta equal to what? Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. That means it is equal to what? Tan theta, tan 2a. So we write this tan 2a in this form. Is it? Tan 2a we can write in this form. That means tan 2a can be equal to cot 90 minus 2a. Is it? Since cot 90 minus 2a equal to tan 2a. So tan 2a we write in this form. So it is equal to, okay, implies it's an equation, cot, what can I write? 90 minus, that 90 degree minus 2a. Okay, cot 90 degree minus 2a means tan a. Tan a we have written in terms of cot. Okay, then the right side will remain same because we have cot in the left, so cot in right. So both side cot will have now. Okay, so it is cot a minus 18. We have not changed here. Okay, now you remove cot. My dear students, please don't cut this or like this or like this. Okay, it gives another meaning. So please just removing cot from both sides. You can write in bracket or without writing, just remove it. Okay, cot same, you have removed that one. 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. A minus 18 degree. Okay, now we can solve this in this way. 2a goes that side it was a, plus this goes that side 2a. Okay, this a in the right side only we kept, and then this 2a bring this side, that means this 2a becomes plus, is equal to 90. This 18 comes this side, that is 90. Okay, 90 degree, then this comes this side, then sign changes to plus 18 degree. Okay, then it is your 3a, okay, is equal to 8 and 108. So a is equal to 108 by 3. How many times it is? Therefore a is equal to how many times? It is 3 3 so 9, 3 6 so 18. So 36 degree is your answer. Okay, so another simple question. Okay, tan a equal to cot b, prove that a plus b equal to 90 degree. The condition is given tan a equal to cot b. So either you change tan or cot, you make both side tan or both side cot you can. Okay, so I tried for the second one. So cot b you can write is tan 90 minus b. Tan 90 minus b is what? Cot b. Okay, instead of doing this, you could have done this one, cot 90 minus a also you can do. Same result will come, no problem. But I like to change 10. I like to make a 10 actually. Okay, then what happens here? Tan a, then cot b is written as tan 90 minus b. Okay, then tan and tan removed. So a is equal to 90 degree minus b. So minus b comes this side, that is a plus b equal to 90 degree. Simple. Okay. Question number 6 is, if A, B, C are the interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Here A, B, C are the angles. Okay, A, B, C are the angles of the triangle. We have to prove this relation. That is sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Okay. Now, a solution is not that a big deal, just you check. Okay. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Okay. A, in triangle ABC, A, B and C are the interior angles. Are the interior angles. Okay. Therefore, if ABC are the interior angles of this triangle, then we can write, therefore A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Here I have not used angle ABC. Here not using, that's why directly angle A is A. That one is written here. This is angle sum, property of a triangle. Is it? Okay. The sum of the three angles is 180 degree. Just written that is. Okay. Now we target this question. Now this term B plus C, and here we have A by 2, this all we will target. So we need left hand side B plus C. So just B plus C I plot here. Then it is equal to, this A comes this side, that is 180 degree minus A. Okay. So I am targeting this question. Okay. Now B plus C divided by what is given here? 2. B plus C. So divide by 2 both the side. This side as well as this side. Okay. B plus C by 2 is equal to, this is 180 degree by 180 degree minus A by 2, both side divided by 2. Okay, now this is B plus C by 2 is equal to, now if we divide this one, 180 by 2, we can write like this, minus A by 2. We can distribute this one for both. That is equal to B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. Okay. Here we have, now both side you take sine. Taking sine both the side. Therefore, taking sine both the side. Here sine. Okay. Here we have sine. This is sine I have taken. Sine B plus C by 2 is equal to this side also sine 90 degree minus A by 2. Okay, that implies sine B plus C by 2. Okay, it is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Here theta is A by 2. Sine 90 minus theta is A by 2, then it is equal to what? Cos A by 2, that is cos theta. So cos theta is A by 2. Okay, so this is your proof. Okay, it's not very difficult to understand. Okay.